What if I told you all you needed to generate electricity was this tiny DC motor? This is a DC motor. Normally, we'd supply a voltage to it and we'd see that the shaft spins. However, what if we reverse it and instead we try to spin the shaft? Well, we'll see a small amount of voltage will actually be produced. That's because this can work as a generator converting mechanical energy into electrical energy. Well, let's see what happens. Take this here and take this into my other hand. Take them both into this hand, and let's see if I can spin this. Looks like we're producing roughly around half a volt. Well, this is something called electromagnetic induction, first discovered by Michael Faraday. When a coil moves around a magnetic field, it forces electrons to move, creating electricity. This is the simple principle behind wind turbines, hydroelectric dams, and even your car's alternator. Well, what if we take this a step further? This is a drill. And if we take this here, and we take this here, and this like that, I also need to hold that. Volts. Well, that's quite interesting, don't you think? Well, what if we take this a step further? This is an electromagnet that we made in the previous video. What happens if I combine this, and this drill all together into a DC generated electromagnet? Well, let's find out. Here's our previously created electromagnet attached to our DC motor attached to our drill. Let's see how well it does at trying to pick up this key. It seems that our voltage is slightly too low to be able to pick up the key. Let's try an easier object, like this screw. The screw appears to be a lot easier to pick up, and it seems to stay magnetized even after the drill is stopped. Well guys, it would seem that our DC motor doesn't produce a high enough voltage to be able to pick up the key, though it does work as a smaller electromagnet, being able to pick up the screw. Going forward into future projects, I'd like to be able to get a stronger motor and we can expand upon our electromagnet designs. As always guys, let me know what projects you want to see in the future, and leave a like or a comment. Thanks.